Hello, everybody. This is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using this beautiful kit from Hello Petite paper. It is called One More Chapter. And yeah, it's for the fall time and it's for October. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, so the October script is from Paper Trail Plants, and then I will start off with florals. So the florals are actually in her washi paper, and I really like her washi paper that she's using. It's also, you can also pull it up really easily on the city stickers inserts. And then what I'm doing is I will be putting down the deco in between the full boxes. I really like doing this for, like, I don't know, several spreads. I think I just like mixing the formats of both the full boxes and the deco. And then for the sidebar, I'm using that or long film strip, and then I'll be putting down some florals with it and some more deco, and then some foil from, I think, Letters to Apollo. So this kit is in silver foil, so I do have a lot of silver foil for autumn. I don't usually use silver foil for autumn, but this time, yeah. So I had a lot of like the leaves kind of foil from like $2 Tuesdays. So I was able to use that with this part. And then I think I'll be putting down like more of these boxes and more of the deco in between. And of course, the beautiful florals. So pretty how it looks like. And then some frames for the boxes. Those are from Pantapert Design. And yeah, what else? So yeah, and then on the second page, I'll just be doing the same kind of mix of boxes and deco and florals and foil. And of course, those, like, like stamps, those are also a sticker add-on that you can put in your cart. Or is it part of the cart, or is it her anniversary kit? So I can't remember now, but I feel like this was her anniversary kit. So yeah, that's it for this base spread. I'll talk to you in the day today. All right. So on Monday, I did have a meeting with or conference with my daughter's teacher. Me and my husband went to meet her teacher, and it was a great time to catch up on what's happening with her activities and where she can, where she can excel more, where we can push her more to do. So yeah, it's a great insight every time, and we only do it once a year, right? I also got the gift from Amy and Nadine, who are my best friends. Amy went home to the Philippines and met up with Nadine, so they brought a gift. I mean, they had a joint gift, and which was so great. After that, I was able to like do a junk journal of all like the papers that came with the gifts. So yeah, it was a really great journaling sesh. All right, so on Tuesday, I was reading or listening to Reckless, which is like the part of Powerless YA, where you have Kate, no, so sorry, you have Peyton and oh my gosh, what's the guy's name? Kai. There you go, Kai and Peyton, and we get to know more about their story. So actually, this Reckless part two was more of the same of Powerless. So I'm like, yeah. So it's not as good as the first part because you're just repeating the first first book with more, wondering about the banter is good, but I don't want to have the same story over and over again. So I just gave it, I think, a 3 stars this time. Hopefully the third book will be better. All right, so I was also able to upload a plan with me, and then I was watching The Mentalist, where we finally knew who the villain was in one of the in like the main side story of The Mentalist. Yes, finally they showed him, and we got to know him. All right, so on Wednesday, we brought my mother-in-law to the grocery while me and my daughter went to Spirit of Halloween because she was still figuring out what to wear for Halloween and she still didn't have any idea. So we went to Spirit of Halloween store, and we didn't find any, and we just played with like the monsters. They're like you step on like a button and then suddenly you'll have a jump scare of sorts. So we had a fun time with that. And then I got some takeout from Racing Canes. All right, so Thursday was actually trunk or treat, so that is why we were looking for like a costume for my daughter, because yeah, they had their trunk or treat at school, and she just did a DIY thing. She always does the DIY for like the past few Halloweens, which is good. I don't have to spend so much on the costume. So she did go as Charlie Brown. So she just wore a yellow shirt and she printed out some papers and stuck it to the like the brown, like the the lines on Charlie Brown shirt. So that's what she came as, and then she had her big Snoopy in her bag. So it's so cute. So yeah, they had a good time. It was so cold. Oh my goodness. When trunk or treat is always so cold. And then got some tacos and some churros and some very expensive hot chocolate. All right. And then I did a DoorDash because some of her I was in charge of like 4 girls, I think, because they all carpooled with me. My daughter is a very good in volunteering. So they did have a play date. All right, so on Friday, my daughter had a ninja class, and then I went to Target and I bought 2 books. I don't know what those books are. And I bought glue because my daughter always needs glue for her, slime. Ugh, my goodness. And then I went to Starbucks for some hot choco. And I was reading Park Avenue, which up to this day I haven't finished yet. All right. And then I was able to edit. What did I edit on Saturday? It was like a daily journaling thing that I did, and then we did eat out at the park to shop, like a food court we have for Chinese food, and then I got some boba tea as well, and then I brought my daughter and my mother-in-law's for some shopping, and I also went to Michael's. I don't know what I bought at Michael's. Maybe I can't remember now. And then after that, on Sunday, I was able to film another plan with me for June. Okay. Yes. And then We did play sungka with my daughter. So sungka is what do you call that in English? The mandala, the one where you put like there's like several cups or not cups or like holes on like this wood thing, and then you like put all the beads or things. So I do. There's that. It's sungka in Philippines, and my mother-in-law brought one from the Philippines, so we were able to play that. I just love that. I really wanted to have that sungka from the Philippines, so good thing my mother-in-law brought it, and we were able to play. So I also was able to get into the Miss and Meow PR team. This is the day we found out that I got into the PR team. So yay! Use my code Christy15. And then yeah, that is it for this spread from Hello Petite paper, the leftovers, so beautiful florals. And yeah, this is in silver foil. It is called One More Chapter. Yeah, so pretty for fall. And if you like books, this is a good kit for it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.